Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Style. Today I have a new tutorial for y'all. I'm going to show you how I did the middle finger decoration. The bling you see on the middle fingers, we're going to do that. I'm going to talk about the challenges I had using the tools for French tips, because that's what I wanted to do, but it didn't work. First of all, let's talk about my nail color. This nail colors is not nail polish, it's polygel. I apply false full nails, and I use the poly gel to give you the colors you see. That's another video on its own. I believe I have a poly gel nail video, but I could do another one if you want me to show you how I apply the poly gel on my false nails. These are the different colors I used on different nails. I tried to bring it three different colors to give it that flow, that different kind of creation, and that's what it gave me. But I said, no, let me do some decoration on the middle finger, the one that has like a beige color. So I went in with this bling, this nail trend bling, and some powders and blinks, as you can see. So this is a thing that was a great challenge to me, how to apply this French tip. I thought it would be easier because sometimes your hands are shaking. You always look for tools that will make your job easier, that will help you apply your French tips easy. So I purchased this from Temu, and I said, let me give it a try. That can make my job easier trying to do shapes on my nail. It's supposed to be glued, white glued tips that when you apply on your nail, it will stick to it while you do your decorations. But this is what happened. It was not as it was supposed to be. It was a big mess. I tried it like 4 times, but it would not stick to my nail. If anybody ever used this, please in the comment section let me know what you did, how it worked for you, because it did not work for me. I got so upset and I pushed it on the side. I'm like, you know what, I'm giving up on this. I felt like this would never glue. I gave up on it. I took it off after like 4 attempts, trying and retrying and trying and retrying. I thought, oh, maybe this one does not have enough glue. I took the second one. Oh, maybe this one does not have enough glue. I took the third one. This might not have enough glue. I pressed on the side. I kept insisting and pressing on the side, guys. I pressed. I was even thinking to put some glue. Then I remember if I put glue on it, it might take off the nail polish after I do my design, or whatever design I apply on my nail. When I try to take out the sticky paper, it might take out the design because I glued it. So that was not a success. That was my experience with that. I said, oh, let me use this one, the easy French nail tips tool. Like, you see this method before, you see the videos, it's always easy. 1, 2, 3, go ahead. I took it out. I tried to place it on my nail. You see, it won't, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe if you see the video, you will understand the challenge I had. It will not stay close to my nail. I think that's the easiest way I can explain it. You see how you place it? There's a gap between your nail and the metal part. And that gap is risky, because with that gap, while you're applying the nail polish, the nail polish may run through the glue, or whatever you're trying to apply for your design may run through. Maybe I don't know how to use this tool. If anybody ever did, please explain it to me, because I gave up on using tools for French tips. I gave up. I'm like, let me go manual. I did all directions, guys. I put it this way, I put it that way, but there was still that gap. It wouldn't like stick close to my nail in such a way to prevent the glue or nail polish to run over to the other side, because that's the point of using this. It stops the nail polish from going all over. It stops the nail polish wherever you want it to end, but this will not stick to the nail. This will not stay close to the nail to stop that nail polish. So again, tool number 2 was a failure, and I gave up on using French tip tools. And I went manually. I took my nail glue. I tried to draw my lines. Yes, I tried to draw my lines myself. Like, look at that. I just tried to draw my lines and I made it work my way. So I drew the line. It wasn't that perfect, it wasn't that straight. But it's better than trying to use those tools that will end up messing up my hard work of polygel and nail file. And I wasn't ready to do this all over again. It's late at night. I was just trying to get over with this. So I used that and I pour my blink into a container, dip it in so the blink will stick only on the part where I applied my gel glue, as you can see. So I went ahead and used my finger and just cover any other part I wanted to go to, clean around, and I cured for 40 to 60 seconds. After I cured for 40 seconds, I came back again with my glue and applied on the little spot where I will put in my bling, my heart-shaped bling. That's all the only area where I applied that. Because remember, you cannot put any top gel on top coat gel on the bling. Don't put it on top of the bling. Put your top coat only on your nail, only around the bling, not on the bling. So I went ahead and put it in, put the first heart and put the second heart with my hand. It was a challenge. My fingernail was all over the place, but I made it. And I went in with some red blings, just a little bit. If you look closer, just put a little spot of some reddish, the red blings, just a little bit. I didn't use the other ones because in the beginning I think I showed you like 3 blings. I didn't use a crystal bling. I didn't need to use that, so these 2 were enough for me, and a little bit of red to give it that blending with my nail colors. So a little red all over the place, and now I cured again for 40 seconds before applying my top gel, my nail top gel. Yes, that's what I did. That's the top. As I said, go around. Do not apply on your own on the bling. Nothing should be applied on the bling, because if you put it on the bling, it's gonna mess up the natural shine of the bling. So always put the top coat around the bling. And now there we go. After this, I cure for 90 to 100 seconds. Your top coat should be cured longer for a perfect result. For a non-sticky result, your top coat should be cured at least 90 seconds. That's what I do. So after that, and we're done. Although the French tips tool gave me a hard time, that's my review for the one I purchased. Maybe there's another way. Maybe there's something I did wrong. In the comment section, I'm ready to listen. I'm ready to understand, to learn how to use it. Maybe I should watch more video how to use those tools. But I don't know. It just didn't work for me on this design. I might try it again. Maybe it's the shape of my nail. Maybe the size of my nail. I don't know if they come in different sizes, but it didn't work for me. So thank you guys for watching to the end, and that's my end result, and I catch you on another video. Bye bye and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like the video, and I catch you on the next one.